So we have some crafter's tape. Oh, these are good. These are good. Okay.
What's the tape for? Double-sided?
It's double-sided.
And
There's these stencils so that you can do banners and other symbols, really simple. I'll go over all those stuff later. And then Essentials large black dot matrix notebook. Gonna unbox this tomorrow as well. Hey guys, it's Ice and the Duo back again with another video. Today, I am gonna be looking into the stuff that I unboxed yesterday in really bad quality. I'm really sorry, I just got really excited about it and I found it at around 9:30 p.m. So the light was obviously amazing. Oh, do you like my hoodie? I was going for a fat look today. See how wide this is? Some people say it's fashion, I say fat. Okay, so I have the package here. So then we also have this 4-pack of crafter's tape. Yesterday, I saw this and I said, you know, okay, wait, there's tape right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Wow, isn't it ironic that they're using different tape to seal their package of tape? This is really helpful because using regular tape isn't as good as just double-sided tape because it's much easier and you don't have to make those tape pillow things. It's sort of like that, it's a little loop. But then I don't know what to call it, so I call it a tape pillow. Comment down below what you guys call it, because there's probably an actual word for that. Ooh, next. Fun. I did open it yesterday, but I didn't actually get a chance to look at it. These are just bullet journal stencils. Oh, these are actually numbered. So it has the little number 1 there, and then all of these are numbered. So that means there's 12 of them. The first one we have here, 2, 3, 4, this is 5. They have a lot of these boxes. And then here's 6, 7, 8, 9 is just a bunch of symbols. 10 is just a bunch of different banners and stuff. 11 is also more bubbles and also call-outs, speech bubbles. And then just more of these boxes for number 12. And then lastly, the most iconic part of a bullet journal is of course the journal. So here we have the Essentials, which is, I don't remember what it's called. I think it's Peter something, blah, blah. It's Peter Piper Pan Pickle. Well, here it says it's a large black dot matrix notebook. Don't know where the word matrix comes into play, but it's okay. This is the best part, opening. I'm gonna do this with a lot of precision so that I don't stab through anything important. It better not have been important. Oof.
The best part. The best part.
Okay, I sort of stabbed it, and now we have opening. Everything's coming off now. Okay, wow. Okay, get out here. Get out here, you're distracting. So, here we have a nice little cover. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it says Essentials right there. Let's open the book. I'm about to finally open it. The best part is breaking open the book. Ooh, it's even on the inside too. I'm about to try to get this off. Oh, okay. So I got this off. Feels like one of those, what is that called, a pageant? Yeah, I think so. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but there's a little line right there of where the flap was. I don't know what to call that, the advertisement, the logo. And I'm a little concerned, but it's okay, it's minimal. So if I open it, there's nothing on this first page. Then I believe if you go on to the next page, this one's a little blank too, but then this one is our first dotted page. All of these are dotted pages. This is our last dotted page. This is a blank page. And then we have a nice little pocket here. Okay, so I'm just realizing right now I forgot to address that there is one ribbon bookmark. So as it says on the little pageant thingy, that's what I'm gonna call it now. This is an amazing notebook. It doesn't really matter what notebook you have. I just saw this one and I got really interested. So, I'm just kidding. So I think we're gonna get into bullet journaling a little bit later, but for you guys, right about now. I was watching this video. This person was just reviewing a bunch of markers. I saw that they had Crayola Super Tips, and so I think I got these 4 or 5 years ago for Christmas. Now obviously I was mature and thought, I'm not a kid, I don't want to use Crayolas, so I'm going to use these Crayolas. As you can see, it comes in a pack of 20, whole assortment of colors. So I'm going to try all of these, see how they go. They might be dried out, which is going to be really sad, but at least I'll have tried them. So here's my notebook. As you can see, I already wrote an HB pencil. Now I think I'll do it with markers. I think how I'm going to do this is in actual order that it came from, starting from the side, going to that side. Let's just get into it. So I have 20 tests here. So I think they look pretty cool. I saw a video where they used this as a brush pen, as a cheaper alternative. So I would just like to note that I'm not a professional, so I'm totally bottoming you guys right now. Don't at me. So there's a little bit of bleed through. It definitely ghosts, as expected. I also have a bunch of other markers, but I think I'll stick to these Crayola Super Tips, especially because there's so many different colors. Back to your regular program.
So that is my complete 2019 bullet journal setup. Yes, not at the beginning of the year, but also didn't get this book at the beginning of the year, so that's okay. I think the key turned out really great. I really like the way the calendar turned out. My favorite, next to the quote. Also, I counted the dots instead of the spaces. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to count the spaces, but that's okay. The quote turned out really great. It sort of set up the whole thing for the rest of the year. My theme was more mountains, I guess. But see you in another video. See ya. Peace.